I'm Mrs. Erforth. Today, you are going to be letter heroes. We are going to learn the name, sound, and how to write the letter U. Learning to read and write the letter U will help us to read and write many words. This is the uppercase letter U. This is the lowercase letter U. Let's practice naming the letter. When I point to the letter, you say its name. Ready? What letter is this? U. Uppercase U. What letter is this? U. Lowercase u. What letter is this again? U. And this letter. Uppercase letter U. Great job, letter heroes. The letter U represents two sounds, short U, and long U, U. Watch and listen as I make the short U sound. My tongue is flat, my lips are flat, and my mouth is wide open, like this. It's a voice sound. My vocal cords vibrate. Let's hear you try it. Say it with me. Let's practice the short U sound first. Short U, When I point to the letter, you say the sound. Short U. Ready? What sound? Great. What sound? And what sound is this again? The short U sound, Next is the long U sound. Watch and listen as I make the long U sound. My tongue is lifted high in the back of my mouth. My lips are rounded and pulled close together, like this. U. U. Can you try that? U. Unicorn begins with U. Can you say unicorn? Great. You hear U at the beginning of unicorn. Great job, letter heroes. Now, let's practice saying the long U sound. When I point to the letter, you say the long U sound. Ready? What sound? U. Great. And this sound? What is the long U sound? U. And again? U. Great job, letter heroes. Now, let's see if we can find the letter U in our sentence. We're going to take a close look and see where the letter U is in our sentence. Our sentence comes from the story that we're going to read today. Let's read our sentence first. The pups get up and run under the sun. Let's look closer and look for that letter U. That's one of our high frequency words. Pups. Do you see the letter U? Right. Yes. The letter U is right between those two P's, so let's circle it. Let's keep reading. Get. Do you see the letter U? Up. Up begins with the letter U. Let's circle it. Can you find another U in our sentence? And run under the sun. Can you point to the letter U? Do you see it? You see it more than once? How many times do you see the letter U? 3 more times. Great job, letter heroes. Can you point to the letter U and I'll circle it? Good job. In the word run. Run. Point to the next one. Under. Wow, letter heroes, we are finding many U's in this sentence. Do you see another one? Where's that third one? Sun. Fantastic. How many letter U's did we find in our sentence today? 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letter U's in our sentence. A few of our letters are at the beginning of the word, and a few of them we found are in the middle of the word. We're going to talk a little bit more about middle sounds later on. Great job, letter heroes. Now, let's learn to write the letter U. Let's learn to write the uppercase letter U. Watch me write the uppercase letter U. We start at the top line of our paper. We pull down, around, up, and down. Let's trace it. Get your tracing finger ready and trace it with me. Ready? Start at the top line of our paper. Pull down, around, up, and back down. Great. Now, let's practice writing it together. Go ahead and grab your pencil or something to write with and something to write on, and let's write it together. Start at the top line. Pull down, around, up, and down. All right, good job. Let's do another one together. Start at the top line. Pull down, around, up, and straight down. That's the uppercase letter U. Now let's practice writing the lowercase letter U. Watch me write the lowercase letter U. Start at the middle line of our paper, pull down, around, up, to the middle line again, and down. Let's trace it with our finger. Ready? Get your tracing finger ready and trace it with me. We start at the middle line for our lowercase letter U. Pull down, around, up, and straight down. We're ready to write. Grab your pencil or something to write with and something to write on, and let's practice the lowercase letter U. Start at the middle line, pull down, around, up, and straight down. Let's practice another one. Ready? Start at that middle line, pull down, around, up, and back straight down. And that's the lowercase letter U. Great job, letter heroes. You did an amazing job, letter heroes. We learned the name, the sound, and how to write the uppercase letter U and the lowercase letter U. And we learned the letter U represents 2 sounds, short U, and long U, U. Learning to write and read the letter U will help us to read and write many words.
This program is made possible in part by the Michigan Department of Education, the State of Michigan, and the W.K. Kellogg Foundation. Additional support by viewers like you. Thank you.